Hey, I'm Phil Owens, Executive Pastor here at Impact Church over live production. So here at Impact Church, since we've teamed up with DEFY, the three products that we currently use, which is the Cadence, the Rhythm Pro, and the Rhythm Compact, have been a game changer. We wanted to take our live stream and also our in-house video to the next level. We didn't want to use a jib or a crane, and we wanted these shots that we just couldn't get with a handheld. The great thing about all three is that we decided to go try out the EX250 head, which is a motorized head. Now we run all RED Komodo, so we were worried about getting the color match to link and sync with the EX250s. That has been unbelievable. The paint and the color controls, we can actually dial in the EX250s to match the RED Komodos almost perfectly.
And having like a smaller camera package inside the EX250 makes a huge difference compared to like when I had my RED with like the big lens on a Movi. Like the 250 just helps a lot in that area. And not having to balance anything, it's just kind of like already there. All I have to do is switch the batteries, turn it on, and like it's ready to go.
We decided to test out the Rhythm Compact.
It takes about like a minute to set up. All you gotta do is just set it on the track, and then you put screw the 250 on the top. You can put it in places, I guess, where you couldn't put the full one, just cause it hides itself so well. So we put ours right at the front of the stage, and we can bring it up to where it can get those nice shots, and then during the sermon, if we wanna set it down, we set it down without it blocking anything.
Our production team here at Impact Church is about 15 people, and half of those are volunteers. And so there's times where we need to put one of them on a cable cam or a Rhythm Pro or a Rhythm Compact. And so for us to put a volunteer on that, it's definitely doable. We brought in a new guy named Zach, trained him on the Cadence cable cam. Within an hour, he ran the second service and was flawless.
At first, I was very intimidated by the Cadence, just seeing it. But then I put my hands on the actual controller, and I'm like, oh, this isn't that bad.
So here at Impact Church with our video switching, the DEFY products have worked so well that it keeps our audience and our live stream viewers engaged. So with our fast songs, we're able to run the sled, the Rhythm Pro and the Rhythm Compact on the tracks a lot faster. And then for the slow songs, we can slow it down. For the sermon, we can slow it down to just a crawl. Or the cable cam, zooming in from 300 feet away, over the drums, spinning, coming back.
We've gotten so many compliments, even when we have tours come through here. They really look forward to using our building because of it. And it's the only place that they actually like ask to use cameras in their tours that aren't theirs.
If you could demo the cable cam or the Rhythm Pro or the Rhythm Compact in your church or your facility, you're gonna see that the simplicity, the ecosystem, the reliability, the safety, it's gonna be a game changer for your production. It's gonna take your production to a whole nother level that you've never experienced before, I believe.